Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We're going to make corn dogs.
Good evening everybody. So my cooking people enjoyed when we made the last one together, the last meat pie together. So my assistant is going to be joining me. Like I said, I saw this recipe on Kiki's Foodies on Instagram. So if you need the recipe,
how do we make this thing?
Corn dog. What is this? So we are going
flour.
What is this?
Egg.
What? No. What is this?
Sugar.
Good. What is this?
Pepper.
Okay. What is this?
Baking
powder.
Baking powder.
And what is this?
Cow milk.
What is this?
Sausage.
What is this?
Spaghetti.
No, cannot be spaghetti. That's not spaghetti. Those are skewers.
Skewer.
Yes. So
what is the name? Skewer.
Skewers. So okay.
Is it skewer?
Yes. So let's get started. Let's cook. Okay. This portion of the video has been sponsored by JUMIA.com, and you can get all your household groceries on JUMIA, from baking items to cooking, anything that you want to, your toiletries, you can order for them on JUMIA and they will bring it to you wherever you are in Nigeria. So cooking and baking stuff, beverages, things that you might not get in your local supermarket, if you check on JUMIA you will get it. So use the link in the description box to shop for your household groceries on JUMIA. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comment section. I'm going to pin it in the comment section so you can get all those stuff that you see and you want to buy, you want to bake wherever you are in Nigeria, but your local supermarkets, they may not have them. You can find all of them on JUMIA. So remember to use my link in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. We are going to be putting this, we are going to rinse this and put this in the...
not shifting. I'm going to put this thing inside here.
Yes.
So we can make white sausage. And I can see the sausage. How many sausage? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
How many are
8.
we? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Wait.
Hey, don't do that. Remove your hand. So we're going to put this on the stove.
Let's do this one. Mommy, you forgot to do.
Let's put this inside here.
Yeah. So we can do this.
Pour our flour here. Okay.
And we put water.
Not yet. We'll put sugar.
Sugar. Sometimes sugar makes food.
Put our pepper.
Pepper.
I just put everything inside.
And mix it.
Yes.
Let's start.
Okay, so we're going to add our baking powder.
We need to do this thing
And the
fast.
star of the show.
Mommy, give me, let me open it. Mommy, where is the scissors? Okay.
Yeah, pour it inside. Well done.
Mommy, I want to mix it.
Wait, let me tell you to mix it first.
With water. I'm going to mix it too. I think we need to put more. Excuse me, I want to mix. Mommy, egg.
That person that is supposed to
Precursor.
the woman that I wrote it from.
Mommy, it smells like cake.
It smells like cake.
Yes. That is smaller than cake.
Smaller than cake.
They cut it. Mommy, I want to do with you.
That's what.
Mommy, I want to do. Mommy, I want to do my own.
Maybe you first learn how to do it. So you bring put ororo inside one of those pots.
Okay. That one that we used to boil something. No, another one.
As long as it's dry.
They used to put this. Mommy, is this thing in your phone?
I think leave it. Let's finish it.
My plate now.
Quick and
For it to come to my hands.
that's why you have to be careful.
Yeah, wait. Let me do this one. Inside. Mommy, meat is my meat. Mommy, I'm done.
Yummy.
Yes.
Good job. High five. Good job. Yeah.